Let's take a look at this problem. We got -2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 0, 5, 2, -3. Yeah. So we got -2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 0, 5, 2, -3. We got -2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 0, 5, 2, -3. We got -2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 0, 5, 2, -3. Okay. Now to begin with, this is the cofactor method. There is a shortcut for a 3x3, but specifically, I want you to learn the cofactor method. We look at our signs first. Now you pick any row and any column to work with. Usually it's one with the most zeros is the easiest one to work with. I'm always going to pick the first row just to make it simple for us. It doesn't really matter for a 3x3 in my opinion. You get into 4x4 or 5x5, definitely if you see a row with a lot of zeros, you choose it. Always our first entry up here is positive, no matter what. It doesn't matter what the sign of negative this number is here, this is always positive. Then going across, it alternates. That's positive, so this is negative, and this is positive. So, our signs, we're going to have a positive, we'll have a negative, we'll have a positive. Now, whatever numbers are here, then you now write down. So we got -2, we got 1, and we got 4. And then we're going to have some kind of determinant here. Let's start with our first number, this -2. If I circle a -2 here, we're going to cross out the row and column it's in. So I cross out this row, and I'll cross out this column. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here. So we're going to have 3, 0, 2, -3. Now for our next number, the 1. I'll circle it, and I'm going to cross out the row and column it's in. So I cross out that row, cross out that column. What isn't crossed out is what goes in this determinant. So we've got 1, 0, 5, -3. And the 4. I circle it, and I cross out the row and column it's in. And what isn't crossed out, the 1, 3, 5, 2 is what goes right here. So I got 1, 3, 5, 2. Okay, positive, negative gives us negative, so that's -2. I want to cross multiply. So I got 3 times -3 and 2 times 0. And we got a minus in between them. -1, and I'll cross multiply. So I got 1 times -3 and 5 times 0. Put a minus between them. And then I got +4, and again I'll cross multiply. So I got 1 times 2, and I got 5 times 3. With a minus between them. Okay, so I got -2. 3 times -3 is -9. -2 times 0 drops away. So -1. 1 times -3 is -3. And -5 times 0 drops away. +4. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 5 times 3 is 15. Now -2 times -9 is 18. -1 times -3 is a +3. +4 times 2 minus 15 is -13. 18 plus 3 is 21 minus 52. Yeah, 52. What's this give us? 31? So -31? Yeah, -31. And that's our answer.